Happy anniversary, 1Z Company! That's 3 and 100 years.
Yeah, 100 years.
At narito na ang mga kaganapan sa naganap na 3rd anniversary ng 1Z Entertainment. Siyempre, pinangunahan nito ni Pastor Paul na kung saan talaga namang in-enlighten sila sa mga blessings, sa mga nangyari sa 1Z Entertainment and sa SB19. Kaya naman, masaya nilang itong celebrate at syempre blessed talaga sa nangyaring success, lalong-lalo na sa recently North America sold out concert nila. Narito ang caption ni Pastor Paul. And welcome back from your world tour, SB19. We are so proud of you bringing P-pop to the world. It was my pleasure sharing God's word to you again. Always remember that God is the foundation of our lives. Happy anniversary to 1Z Entertainment too. God bless you guys. Saludo ang Pinoy sa inyo. And hey, thanks for the gift. I love it. Nakita naman natin na meron siyang merch at t-shirt, no? So, sana all na lang talaga kay Pastor. But anyways, binabati natin ang SB19 from their successful North America sold out concert tour at meron pa niyan sila this coming September. At meron sila sa Singapore and Hong Kong. So, abangan na lang natin ito, mga 18, no? And, syempre, again, binabati natin ang 1Z Entertainment ng kanilang happy 3rd anniversary from doing their yung binigay nila para sa SB19 at fruit of their labor talaga ang nangyari dahil sa tinatamasa nilang success ngayon.